Where the hell is Evelyn and Mel? How am I the first one here and it's not even my dad?
Hi, Emily. I'm so sorry I'm late. There's so much traffic this morning.
No problem at all. I'm even here yet.
What? Do you know when she'll be here? I was supposed to start on her makeup as soon as I got here.
Pretty sure she's in a taxi on her way here. I can't believe she's dropping in this late.
Well, do you want me to just get started on you? I want to get as much done since we're already running late on the schedule.
Yeah, I guess you could. There you are.
Hey guys.
What took you so long to get here? You should have been the first one here.
I know, I'm sorry. There's lots of traffic.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll make sure we're all done on time.
Okay, thanks. But I'm super stressed and scared.
Stress is normal, but why are you scared? You should be excited to marry the love of your life.
Yeah, be excited. Don't be scared. It's your big day.
Yeah, I know, but...
Hey, ladies! Who's excited? I'm excited.
Oh, hey, Lisa. We're all very excited.
Yeah. By the way, Lisa, I'll probably be able to start your hair and makeup in about 2 hours. Okay, great. When are you going to start on Evelyn? You should have started on her first. I mean, is the bride. I got here before her. I wanted to start on Emily so we wouldn't be wasting any time. Are you kidding me? Evelyn, you should have been here first. Why weren't you?
I was running late. There's lots of traffic.
Well, you should have planned that out. You need better time management. You know my son has great time management.
Yeah, I know he does. I've known him for years.
I understand that weddings are stressful, but no need to have an attitude with me.
Sorry, Lisa. I didn't mean to come off rude. It's just stressful.
Okay, ladies. They are already setting up the furniture, and the cooks and caterers come in about an hour and a half.
Sounds good. Thanks for letting us know.
Hurry up, Mel. Make sure to have everyone done. Evelyn, cheer up. You seem down. Jeez, she seems crazy.
Literally, it seems like she's controlling your whole wedding and acting like it's her own wedding.
Yeah, she really is a lot. She's so controlling. It's so annoying.
Girl, she's right about one thing. You should be way more excited.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Evelyn, all my brides I've done have been a million times more excited than you are right now. I mean, some of them have said they're scared, but not about marrying their fiancé. They've said they've been scared about their dress getting ruined or things not going the way they planned. But it doesn't seem like you're that kind of scared.
Well, yeah, what's gotten into you? You seem to be so excited last year when he proposed to you. Now you just seem sad and not like how you were before.
I'm just anxious and scared.
But what about? You've been saying that the whole time, but never explain what is making you like this.
I just think I'm making the wrong decision.
What do you mean?
Like, I feel like I'm making the wrong decision by marrying you.
So what you're saying is you don't want to get married?
Don't say that so loud. Lisa could hear you.
Answer Emily's question.
Honestly, I don't want to get married.
Are you serious?
Mel! You should be doing Evelyn! You're taking too long on Emily! Lisa, I will take as long as I need to on her. I'm just worried because you guys aren't running on schedule. They'll be done on time, I promise.
Thank God she didn't hear.
So you don't want to get married?
I can't believe I'm saying this out loud. I don't want to get married to him.
Should I even be doing her makeup right now then?
I don't know. I'm stressed. I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm too young to get married. I don't want to be tied down this girly. I want to live my 20s to the fullest.
Yeah, I can understand that.
I also just feel like he's not the one. I have this weird, bad feeling in my stomach.
I feel like I should stop doing her makeup and hair then.
But what if Lisa comes in and asks why you're not doing it?
Look, problem solved.
I'm so stupid for not thinking of that.
Well, what do you want to do then?
I don't know. I feel
I agree. If you did that, that would be depressing for both of you.
Yes, I know that, but I'm kind of stuck. I can't just call it a wedding.
Yeah, you can. I mean, you're not even married yet.
Everyone would be so disappointed in me, and it would be so awkward.
True.
I have an idea. Be a runaway bride.
That's ridiculous. We only see that in movies.
That doesn't mean you can't do it in me.
Yeah, girl, let's do it.
Evelyn, chill. I have a plan. Okay, so it's simple. Mel just packs up all her things, you grab your things and dress, and we just leave secretly and grab a cab.
Yes, we can go have some fun around the city together and not worry about any of this.
I don't know about this, guys.
Would you rather be depressed and get married to someone that you don't think is the right person for you?
Or go have some fun in the city with us and put this behind you.
You guys are right. I'm scared, but I know it'll be better for me.
Just do it.
Let's make me a runaway bride.
Yay!
We need to get out of here. I don't want Lisa seeing her here.
Okay, I have everything.